My wife refuses to spend Christmas with my family because of my mother. For every holiday, my mother asks the women in the family to send samples of the desserts they plan to bring to the celebration for testing, to see if these desserts could make it onto the food menu. My wife has been complaining that my mother deliberately rejects every dessert sample she sends. Last year, my mother called my wife's dessert disgusting and not worth feeding to the dogs. My wife was upset, but I convinced her to let it go, as my mother is just brutally honest. I showed my wife that other women's food didn't make it either, and that she was not being singled out. Yet my wife still thought that my mother was deliberately excluding her, since 2 of her dessert samples in total were rejected before for this year's Christmas. My mother is doing the same thing, but this time she told every woman who is participating to make a cookie sample and send it to her for testing. My wife took it as a challenge and, to be honest, she worked really hard to make a good sample and sent it to my mother days ago. The results just came in. Yesterday, I came home from work and found my wife upset. I asked what was wrong, and she told me that my mother rejected the sample she sent and decided to exclude her baking from the food list menu for Christmas this year. My mother even sent my wife a text message telling her how